Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin of Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy. We're excited to help you address your runner's knees concerns, or what's also called patellar tendonitis or patellar tracking issues. So what is runner's knees? Runner's knees oftentimes is compressed kneecaps rubbing against the knee structure. This can cause clicking, popping, pain, sharp pain sometimes, as well as the inability to perform functions or locked up feelings when you run, when you go up and down stairs, when you sit to stand in worst case scenarios, and just pain with activity. So what causes runner's knees? Runner's knees is caused oftentimes by imbalances in many places. It's a hinge joint, so the ankles often are misaligned, the hips are misaligned and weak, and the muscles are creating uneven pulling, whether it's your quadriceps or weak hamstrings. So the great thing about Rehab and Revive, how we're going to address this, is to treat all of this. We're going to treat your ankles, we're going to treat your hips, we're going to make those more aligned but stronger, and then we're going to create space between and separate that kneecap to knee joint and give you more space so it can slide and glide. And that's our goal here at Rehab and Revive. So we hope you choose us on your healing journey. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.